I am grateful and humbled to receive the Gertrude B Foster Award for Excellence in Herbal Literature. First of all, I'd like to give a big thank you to all my friends and family who have encouraged me over the years to pursue my dreams of writing about and teaching herbalism. I'd also like to give a big thank you to the nominators who took the time to write of their support. I am grateful for their belief in me and my work. Finally, I'd like to thank the committee for seeing the value and scope of my body of work and awarding me this prestigious award. As many of you may know, I've been writing for an herbal audience for over 17 years. My literary efforts began with Herbal Roots zine, which can be found online in digital format. Herbal Roots zine grew out of preparation of educational materials in an effort to teach kids, beginning with my own. It has not only proven to be a good resource for children, but as a valuable resource for adults as well. In the making of the zine, I was able to bring my interest in plants, writing, drawing, and herbal education all together to create a one-of-a-kind publication that is used for teaching herbalism all around the world. To date, I have written 131 ebooks on herbs, and I hope to write more in the future. In addition to the body of work through Herbal Roots zine, I've also written 5 books. The published 4 are Herbalism at Home, 125 Recipes for Everyday Health, The Homesteader's Guide to Growing Herbs, Learn to Grow, Prepare, and Use Herbs, Nature Anatomy Activities for Kids, Fun Hands-on Learning, and Nature Anatomy Guided Journal for Kids, 65 Prompts to Spark Adventure and Explore the Natural World. These 4 books share my passion for teaching herbalism and nature to adults and children alike. If anyone is curious about me, you can find me online at herbalrootszine.com, where I offer my publications, online herbalism and drawing courses, and herbal membership teaching program for parents and their kids. Presently, I'm based in Illinois. I'm in the process of designing a tiny mobile home in a 37-foot school bus. When it's completed, I plan to take it on the road so I can teach herbalism to communities around the United States and closer research plants of different regions for future ebooks. Thinking of previous recipients of the Gertrude B Foster Award for Excellence in Herbal Literature, I am touched to be included in this notable list of recipients. Thank you again.